Hi, my name is Katie Schober. I participated in 4M in the fall of 2020. I was initially a little hesitant to join the program because I wasn't sure if it was for me coming from a non-traditional tech background. And Maggie, one of the two leaders, met with me before the program began, and she assured me that it absolutely was for me, and even offered and made connections for me with 3 people in the Milwaukee tech ecosystem who she thought would be excellent thought partners for working on my idea. So the schedule for 4M is really doable and flexible. We met twice a month, every 2 weeks for 3 months. And on one session, the first session of the month, we'd have a lesson and about an hour's worth of work time, which was fantastic for getting to connect with our co-founders or fellow founders, or to be able to ask questions of Joe or Maggie, our 2 facilitators. Besides a really flexible and easy to manage schedule, there was also a lot of support offered, and Joe and Maggie were key to that. They are available both in a channel that is used by all founders in addition to those of previous cohorts, and they're also available for quick check-ins or any questions that you have between sessions. So I really was grateful for that aspect of the program. In addition to the awesome facilitators, the fellow founders were a highlight of the program too. Our group really brought a lot of expertise from a number of different industries and fields to our sessions, and also cut across a number of different communities in Milwaukee. So I was grateful for the opportunity to meet and get to know people from many different sectors that I otherwise wouldn't have interacted with in my own full-time position. So in addition to the founders, there are also the mentors. So on the second session of each month, we were able to meet with volunteer community members who are either involved in tech startups of their own or have a lot of business or startup expertise. And they were available to give us feedback on our ideas and to offer, next steps or connections. So that process was really great to be able to share, here's what I'm working on, and to hear from somebody who's either been there or has some ideas of what might happen next. And that was really valuable to me in building my roadmap for my own startup. Lastly, the 4M program is completely free, it's well structured, and it's 100% supportive and doable. I really highly recommend that you take advantage of this opportunity and just get a chance to know people from outside of your own circle here in Milwaukee who are hoping to solve similar challenges and problems in our community and come up with their new startup ideas. By the end of the program, you'll have an opportunity to build a roadmap that's really founded in strong evidence-based product or service development, and that gives you a set of next steps to move on after 4M, as well as a community that is there for you and to connect with. So if you're in any way hesitant, I really highly recommend that you take advantage of this opportunity provided by We Pivot, the Commons, and the Milwaukee Tech Hub Coalition. You will really not regret it.